Are you looking for the best drain augers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best drain augers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, VEVOR 100FT Electric Drain Auger 4 Cutter with Foot Switch Drain. Crafted using the highest quality aluminum alloy frame, the drain auger is a favorite selection you don't want to miss. The auger is highly durable and withstands repeated uses. Other than this, it comes with a 100 feet by 0.5 inches flexible cable to prevent kinking. It is also easily portable and moves on every terrain using the larger caster wheels. The powerful product has a 550 W power supply and, therefore, a pick that will bring about great torque. The sides of the tool have been using superior steel for added longevity. The sleek compact design makes storage easier even in smaller spaces. Furthermore, it delivers a high speed of up to 1750 RPM, thus a top-rated option to give a try. At number 4, Ryobi 18 volts LithiumIon 25-foot drain auger tool. Ryobi 18 volts drain augers tool is a quality and reliable tool that you can use for every task. The tool has a long 25FT reinforced cable that will reduce kinking. Moreover, the tool also has a clear clog that will offer a better drain for 2 inches wide. The product also has both sinks and tubs for top-notch services. The quality auger tool features both reverse and forward feeding mechanisms that will hinder the user's fatigue. It has a sleek ergonomic design to allow for better hold and comfy use. This tool is a ruggedly built tool that ensures that it brings about increased longevity. The portable design ensures that you can use it whenever needed. At number 3, Ridgid PowerClear Drain Cleaning Drain Auger. Equipped with a 2-piece guide hose, drain augers are very reliable and efficient. You can use one piece for the extension and close applications. Apart from this, it also has a quality guide hose, which allows for keeping the work area clean. The tool adopts auto-feed technology to ensure that the hands remain clean and safe from touching the cable. The inner core heavy-duty cable brings about a longer life for increased kink resistance and strength. It also has a quality clear transparent cover for easy viewing of the length of the remaining cable. The tool is also easy to hold, and with the non-slip handle, the product is comfy for all users. Lastly, the unit also has a sleek compact design to store in limited spaces. At number 2, DEWALT 20VXR Drain Snake Drain Auger. This is a widely compatible drain auger that is designed to serve better and efficiently. The drain augers have a pivoting LED light that is excellent for offering improved lighting under low lights. The product also functions at different speeds to ensure that it handles a wide range of tasks. It also has a sleek ergonomic design and is comfy to hold when working. Moreover, it has both forward and reverse functions to ensure easy operation. Also, the tool is packed in a handy convenient case to allow for both portability and storage. The drain auger also features a detachable drum that can accept a 3/8 x 35 inches cable. This allows for the use of up to 3 inches pipes. Due to the lightweight design, the drain auger is reliable and efficient to use. At number 1, Ridgid Electric Drain Auger Sink Machine Auto Feed Control. This is another functional drain auger cable that you will get ideal for your tasks. It has a long flexible cable, making it easier to use and suits most drainage needs. More interestingly, it is a lightweight and portable product that you can use in most places for proper drainage. The elegant design makes it excellent and safe for all users. It is a drain machine that has a 2-way auto-feed system. The rugged durable build of the drain auger ensures that it brings about increased longevity. The unit also has a soft grip handle, which allows for a comfy hold when working. It is a highly versatile tool that is recommended for residential and commercial uses. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.